Oh wow, this is it. It's the JDM Katana Samurai Sword. Yeah, I'm getting this for the car. Okay, so that's it unwrapped. I chose to get the blue and gold. I'll put the link for the exact one I bought in the description. And it came with these parts, obviously, to change it if it doesn't fit the car. Okay, I'm in the car now. This is the one that is stock shift knob, and this is going to be replacing it. It's a pretty high and a lot bigger than stock, but I reckon it will make it look a lot more JDM. Pretty cool. Okay, we've got to get the parts out. Okay, look, I've kept these things on. I'm gonna cut them off if it's the right one. It's very tall because of this metal piece here, and that makes this really annoying. But I'm sure I'll be fine. I'm happy. I was gonna get 20 centimeters, but I got 15. If I got 20 now, that the scale would just be stupid. Okay, I put it on and I screwed these on. There was actually no hole in the actual system to put it in, but I just tied it to the little pole thing, so then at least it just is stable, and it actually is. It worked really well. Yeah, I gotta say, this is very, very big. A bit weird trying to grab it, and you have to really stretch your arm out, but it's really cool, and I really like it. I'm going to cut these off now, and we'll see what it looks like. The final thing looks like. We got the car. Yeah. Open that. Yeah. Alright. So this is after a couple of days, actually. It's really, I think it's really nice. And tried using it with my dad, and using it on this sort of manual. All you do is click down and up, but I don't know, it seems like a really cool thing. It's not very good for practical, but it works, and it looks insane. That's the start of this car getting built. Stay tuned for more, probably in the next month. Have something done to it, have something done to the car, and yeah, thank you for watching.